Jai Sri Krishna. Welcome to my channel Unique Astro. I am Saroj Kumar Samar. Today in this video I am here to tell you all about second house. What are the things that second house signify? Importance of second house. So let's begin. Second house is all about your kutumb. Kutumb means relatives, close relatives. Second house is about wealth, accumulated wealth that you have made on your own. Or second house is even the wealth that you will get from others, but when it becomes yours, till it is not yours, that is not the wealth of second house. Second house is your principal money, bank balance, money that you can get use of whenever you want, like your bank balance. Whenever you want to buy something, you will take my withdraw money from bank and you will do it. But if you have given money to someone else, that money is not in your hand, that is no more yours. But when he will give it back to you, then it becomes your money. Those money are not your second house thing. It is not matters of second house. That goes to eighth house. Investment is eighth house. But properties that you make and that you can use it to make money, even the waste thing like is something in your garbage, something that is wasted in your garage, if you can sell it and buy money, make money, that is thing of your second house. Second house is your bloodline. Like sometimes you may say that I am born into this family. Actually, you are proud of your bloodline, and that is also a part of second house. Second house is your close relatives that is with you when you take your birth. Throughout your lifetime, whoever is most close to you, your kin and kith, they are forming part of your second house. Second house is your history. If someone is saying that he was like this before and now he turned this, actually they are talking about your second house, your history, your bloodline, your heritage, something that you can be proud of. It is part of second house. It is your wealth. And second house is actually your power. If there in society, if someone is talking that this person is very influential, actually they will be talking about your second house, your heritage. Most of the time in Indian society, heritage matters a lot, and because of that people get social support because their heritage will be good. Your market credit is second house. If you are going to the market and asking for money and they are lending you money just because of some credit you have, that is because of your second house. Second house is also the functions, uh, ceremonies in your home. Whenever you are having any functions, ceremonies, that is part of your second house. Anything that happens good for you, it is part of second house. Second house is your fixed salary. If you are getting 5,000 rupees per month every time, that is part of your second house. If you are getting, sometimes you don't know how much money you are going to get, that will not form part of your second house. But after you get those money, it is yours now, so it becomes part of your second house. Second house is the conversation that you do in close circle, like two people secretly they are having some kind of conversation, they are signing a deal. Those deal important promissory notes. If you are going to shops and you are getting bills, they are writing that you have taken these things and they are handing you that bills. Those bills are part of second house. Your library, your notebooks, all the things of information, it comes to your second house. If you are learning a thing and then it becomes your memory, that is your second house. Memories, past birth, this birth, every birth, whatever memories is stored in your mind, that is part of your second house. Second house is also recollection of ideas. Every kind of collection. You have hobby. What hobby you have? You have hobby of collecting of stamps, some coins, and these all. It also become parts of your second house. Your hobbies are second house. Second house is the keeper of secrets. All your secrets become parts of your second house. Your treasuries, it is part of your second house. Your value, you may be rich, poor, whatever you are, but what people thinks about you is your value, net worth, that is part of your second house. Second house is even your tradition. What kind of traditions are getting followed in your family? Tradition and custom is two different things. Um, you may Google it and know the meaning. So I am talking about tradition. Your traditions, long followed customs are tradition. Long followed customs are tradition. So your tradition is also part of your second house. Second house is your voice, speech, singing, that is part of third house. But your sound is second house. Second house is also your mouth. Whatever you eat to consume your, that is part of your second house. Your food and the food that you are going to eat, that is part of your second house. You may have lots of stocks in your home. Like you may have rice floors in your home, stocks. Those stocks is your second house. If you are having a cow, they are giving milk and you can sell that milk and make money. That is part of your second house. All the garbage is every waste product that you can use it and and transform it into the shape of money. That is your second house. Every knowledge, information, whatever is that there with you, if you can make money out of it, that is part of your second house. Second house is language you speak, that is your second house. Second house even is your uh, vocabulary, how many words you know, word power you have, that is part of your second house. You can say like dictionary is second house. Whatever word power you have, and with the use of that word power, how much influential speech you can make. Making of speech, that is third house. But words power that you can use to make that speech, that is part of your second house. Letters, it is part of your second house. If you are writing a letter, making a deal, writing an application, part of your second house. Second house is song, collection of things, collection of memories, collection of articles. These are our second house, and these all things comes into your second house, and it is part of your second house. Second house, as I already told, it is your libraries, collection of books. How many books you have? Those all will form part of your second house. You have lot many clothes, that is not second house. But new clothes, part of your second house. If you are into business, whatever is in your shop that you can sell to others, part of your second house. Second house is your childhood. Whenever you are a child and you have started crawling, that part of your life is second house. Your first friend, your kin and kith, those who become part of your beginning, those all are part of your second house. Second house is part of your life when you start making your memories. Those all people who helped you to grow when you were a child, everyone forms part of your second house. Second house is your legacy, your legends, part of your second house. Your family legends, part of your second house. Your legacies, family legacy is part of your second house. The legacy that you will make in future, that is another thing. But if you are like 60-year old and you had some legacies, that is part of your second house. Everything that you are going to make is another thing. But whatever you have made, already made, that is part of your second house. Second house is accumulated wealth that I already told. Wealth that you already made, not what you are going to make. Yeah, we can already predict through your chart what you are going to make. But when you are talking about your second house, then you are talking actually what you have made, wealth, property, that you have already created on your own. Second house is your history, stories that you will make, rumors about you. Rumors may be positive and negative both. It is part of your second house. Second house is all the historical records that you have kept for yourself, and that even if it is in government house, all the records of yours, it is part of your second house. Your history, maybe you have become sick at that time, you travel to that places, those all history, those all records is part of your second house. Second house is deal that you signed. Second house is registration. Your identity is second house. Recently, government were asking us to prove our identity. Actually, he was talking about our second house. If our forefathers were actually a part of this country, India, if someone is asking who are you, he is actually enquiring your second house, your family lineage, your surname. Those all are part of your second house. Second house is your sound, voice, what you speak, what you eat, and second house is even your food, restaurants, chain of restaurants. Those all part of your second house. Your shops that generate money for you, your office, it is second house. Second house is even your tongue. Second house is a part of your neck also. Your testimony. In my childhood, when I was leaving my school, my friends they gave me one notebook, and that was named like slam book. And whatever I wrote there, that became part of my memory. That is also second house. Selfies that become part of our memory. That is second house. Your Facebook profile, whatever you have posted before, become part of your memory. Second house. Second house is your intellectual power, something that brings value to you. So it is part of second house. Your intelligence, part of your second house. Yeah, how intelligent you are. Miss intelligent, what intelligent? How intelligent you are. What makes some image for you. That part of your intelligence that is in others' mind about you, opinion about you. That opinion that people makes about you is part of your second house. Second house is even attestation. If you are becoming like two people, they are buying land, and there is two other person who be certify and who become approver, or like who become part of that process of buying that land, who says like, okay fine, I was the person and he is the person who were present at this time of buying that land. Those all person is part of your second house. And if you are becoming that kind of approver or people for someone else, you are actually becoming part of his second house. Second house is all the kind of memories that you have made. So these are all about second house. Now you must know what are the planets that may influence your second house. Generally, Venus is one of the karak or significant of second house. It is the natural Kalpurus Kundli sign of Venus. Taurus, second house is of Venus, because Taurus comes in natural sequence of signs. Second house, Taurus is our second house, and Venus is the lord of second house. So Venus will always influence your second house. Now other planets that will influence your second house, those are the planets that will aspect your second house, laying this drishti to your second house. Wherever your second house lord is placed, that sign will also influence your second house. And those all planets that will aspect your second house lord, those all planets will also influence your second house. Second house lord nakshatra will also influence your second house. So this was all about second house. If you liked my video, please like, subscribe and share it with your friends. We will meet soon again. Thank you.